What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Griddle Grub. Today we got a Tex Mex Smashburger. A lot of good ingredients. We're gonna start off with some veggies right here. So let's get this going. Just some quick, easy veggies. I got some other stuff in the guacamole that's going on this. So we just got some red onion and some cut up jalapeno. Let's just get this good cooking up real quick. Gonna make this nice and simple. I have these two burners all the way low. These two are high. Actually, I'm gonna bump these down to a medium high. And we're already at 350 over here and about 300 over here. So let's just cook these veggies up real quick. Just mix them up, get some oil spread out all over them. There we go. All right, just let these things chill, do their thing. And we're gonna work on some burgers. So, what we got? We got 2 patties here, and this is how I made them. So real simple ingredients. Let's put a little oil down here. Just make sure we're gonna be nice and good with this. I don't think we're gonna have an issue. Boom. 1 patty. I didn't mix them all together like mush them together real good, so we should get a pretty decent smash out of this. So the burger smashed real nice. We're gonna put a little seasoning on these veggies. I got some smoked paprika and some chipotle chili pepper. Just gonna put a little bit of this stuff on here. Paprika is pretty much for color. I want a little bit of spice with this chipotle. Not much, but just a little. There we go. Nice red color from that. All right, there we go. Let these things keep going. Got some nice thick chunks of jalapeno in there. All right, so we're gonna get going on toasting this bun. I got some Duke's mayo to do the job. Preferred favorite, good stuff. And this is a brioche bun, nice thick bun. Boom, get that stuff going. Get a nice toast. There we go. All right. Boom, let that stuff go. Oh yeah. These burgers are cooking up good. I'm just waiting to get a little bit more crustiness forming on the outside. We're gonna give them a flip. All right, I think we're about ready to flip these burgers. Let's check on these buns. Oh, look at that. You know what? I'm gonna put you over there in the corner. Oh, baby. Looking good. So we got 1 piece of cheese for each. You got a nice slice of pepper jack cheese going on there. You got a nice crust on that. Oh, I love it like that. These buns are looking delicious. Oh baby, I'm so excited for this. So the local spot where we love to get our tacos and Mexican food and all that, this is how they serve their salsa to go in a big old container. So we got some nice, real good salsa in there. La Cabana, gotta love it. So the guac We got nice big chunks of tomato in there. That's why I'm not putting tomato on the burger. But nice and thick. We like it nice and chunky. So that'll be delicious going on top of this, I'll tell you that. And we're about ready to build this thing. I mean, everything's done. We got the bun, patties, cheese is melting, veggies are done. We got that. It's time to go. Gotta cool my mouth down because I know this is gonna be smoking hot. All right, let's dive in. Where do I wanna go? Right here. Right here. Oh, baby. Look at that. That looks so good. That's amazing. That bun got a nice toast on it. It's not like all soggy or anything on the bottom. You can taste the nice crunch in the veggies. That guac, everything. Ooh, baby. I don't even know what to do. Got a little heat from that jalapeno, not much. The salsa has a great taste. I love this salsa from this local place, La Cabana. So good. I don't know, guys, that's all I got. I mean, this is a phenomenal burger right here. I would recommend trying this. I don't know, I'm gonna get into my dinner, guys. Appreciate you coming along. Hit that thumbs up for me if you like the video. Let me know if there's something you want me to cook. Subscribe to the channel if it moves you. And yeah, we'll see you on the next one. Thanks.